7,500 watts to each.
Wow. And this is where your additional amp is, right here.
That's where it's
But you
supposed
took
to
it
go.
out, yeah.
Yeah.
This is nice. Before it was nice, but like this, I guess with, is there LEDs and all of that on it, or?
Every back panel has LEDs. That's got LEDs.
Okay. Wow. Can we get in and hear it?
Yeah.
Awesome. And I remember the back seat demo and all of that. Can I get in the back?
Yeah.
I like back more. Yeah. So you have three 7,500s?
4 18s. Yeah, it should be 4, but it's only 3 right now, Jake.
On a Wolfram 7,500s, right? 3 of them?
Yeah. It would be 4, but once I get it back off.
You want to come in and hear it?
Huh?
You want to hear it?
Back door's open, brother. It ain't gonna hurt you.
You only live once.
Yeah, you're right. This is my first show.
Going on
Really?
YouTube.
You want to hear it too, man?
I'm good.
You good?
I'm
This is the Blackboom. Nice and clean doors too still, man. Rockford, Fosgate, everything.
How much power you running to them?
7,500 watts to each.
Nice.
I got too much fucking music in here.
And it's a 4th order, so your bandwidth is what, 25 to 50?
More like 30.
30? Okay. That's awesome, man. Woo!
That's clean.
Yeah. That's
It ain't windy, but it's clean.
yeah. Woo! Awesome. Thank you, man.
You never make me stay, so take your weight off of me. I know your every move. I want you just to believe. I've been here times before.
What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.